Hello, my dear students. How are you during this pandemic situation? Are you healthy? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Are you ready for our English class? I hope so. To begin our class, I will show you a video. Please observe it carefully.
বস্ত্র মানুষের অন্যতম প্রধান মৌলিক চাহিদা। এক্ষেত্রে
2008 সালে আমি ছোট আকারে ঘরোয়াভাবে আমার ব্যবসাটা প্রথমে শুরু করি। তখন আমি ডিগ্রি পড়ছি, দক্ষতার অনেক বৃদ্ধি পাই এবং তারপর আমি নিজে আমার নিজেরও ওরকম হওয়া উচিত। তো যাই হোক, এইভাবে চলতেছে। আমার এখানে মূলত হাতের কাজই হয়, এমব্রয়ডারি, হাতের কারচুপি, পড়াশোনার পাশাপাশি এখন তো মোবাইল।
Dear students, after watching the video, you know what would be our topic today. Yes, today we will continue with a life of Shamima. Unit 5, Making a Difference. Lesson 3, Ever Beautiful Shamima. Let us learn some new words from the text. Outward, going out or away from a place. Vow, a solemn promise to do. Disable, limit in movements. Unstitch, undo of stitches. Dignity, the state of being worthy, honor, or respect. Regret, a feeling of sadness. Ill-fated, unlucky and unsuccessful. Product, substance that is manufactured or refined for sale. Grudge, a persistent feeling of ill will or resentment resulting from a past insult or injury. Let us learn some synonyms. Vow, oath, pledge, promise, bond, commitment, covenant. Disable, impair, damage, weaken, enfeeble, incapacitate. Dignity, nobility, majesty, magnificence, honorability, righteousness. Regret, mourn, lament, sorrow, remorse, contrition, guilt. Ill-fated, doomed, unlucky. Product, outcome, effect, fruit, result, consequence. Grudge, dissatisfaction, bitterness, hurt feelings, resentment, grievance. Dear students, from the text we will come to know Shamima was ill-treated verbally and physically by her husband. She left him and took a vow, doing something for women, those who are unfortunate like her in the society. At the end, she gained honor and dignity through her hard work, willpower, and determination. Now, let us read the text and try to understand. Shamima's misery started the day she was married. Her husband was a greedy person and he used to abuse her verbally and physically. Within a few months into her marriage, she had to leave her husband Kamaluddin Jordar. Shamima's sad story began the day she married Kamal. He abused her orally and physically. So she divorced him within a few months of her marriage. Now, Shamima vows to work with women who are ill-fated like her. She has 43 female members in her organization working for her. She herself trains the members and then provides them with work. She works with women, those who are unfortunate in the society like her. She trains them by herself. She designs fabrics, makes block print, brush paint, and hand-embroidered saris. She also makes three-piece dresses for women and footwears for men. She sells these products in her shop and supplies them outside. She does block print, paint, and embroidery on saris. She supplies in the country as well as in abroad. She has a dream now, a dream to do something for the helpless people. She wants them to feel useful. They can live with self-respect and dignity. With this view, she goes out looking for such people. Now, she is a successful entrepreneur and respected everywhere. She helps helpless people in the society. Shamima finished her story with a smile. Shamima has no complaints, no regrets, no grudges. Her husband could destroy her outward beauty, but not the beauty of her mind. All she wants to do is to bring smile on the faces of those women who are unfortunate. Shamima wants to become a famous designer. Now, Shamima leads a happy life. No regrets and no complaints in her life. Her husband could not destroy her inner beauty. She has brought many smiling faces in the society, especially those who were unfortunate like her. Now, she wants to be a famous fashion designer in the country. Synopsis: Shamima's husband was a greedy man. He abused her verbally and physically. She divorced him and started a business. She had a strong determination doing something for underprivileged women in the society. She gathered some women and trained them by herself. Slowly, she gained self-respect and dignity. Now, she is happy and successful woman. No regrets, no complaints in her life. Let us do an exercise. True or false? Number 1. Shamima's husband destroyed her. Number 2. Shamima promised to stand beside the helpless women. Number 3. She has some trainers to train the women of her organization. Number 4. Shamima wants to become a wealthy person to help others. Answer to the questions. Number 1. False. Shamima's husband could not destroy her. Number 2. True. Number 3. False. Shamima herself trains the women of her organization. Number 4. False. Shamima wants to be a famous designer. Homework. What do you understand by her husband could destroy her outward beauty, but not the beauty of her mind?